Beauty without cruelty. Hello everybody, this is GV Dayanidhi. In my new video is to help protect the environment and innocent animals who deserve equally to live a happy life on this planet. Fortunately, humans have a choice and a chance to bring about change on earth before it is far too late. So we celebrate World Environment Day on 5th June. Of all the animals on earth, humans are the most environmentally destructive. They are to blame for global warming, extinction of animals and plants, plundering land and oceans, and polluting the atmosphere. Do you all know that International Rabbit Day is celebrated on 25th September? Rabbits are specially bred and housed in wire cages and are killed and skinned for their fur and meat. Rabbit carcasses made to look pretty. Is it worth killing bunny rabbits? Just think about it. Respect rabbits and their rights. 22nd September is celebrated as Elephant Appreciation Day, but baby elephants are mercilessly beaten into submission at camps run by people who are supposed to protect them. So unfortunate. Adult temple elephants spend their lives in misery. 1st November is celebrated as World Vegan Day. Being vegan does not mean living a life of abstinence. Veganism celebrates life, animal and human. It is easy not to eat or use animal derived products or support animal exploitation. Veganism means living with compassion. Jallikattu is barbaric, not brave. At Pongal, bulls with sharpened horns are goaded to fury and let loose on crowds for men to chase and grab their horns. Minimizing cruelty is no solution when a ban exists. Raise your voice against Jallikattu. Save bulls and humans from injuries and death. Bhogali Bihu is celebrated on 15th January. The Hayagriva Madhava temple at Hajo in Assam celebrates Bhogali or Magh Bihu by organizing bulbul fights for thousands who come to watch. Months earlier, hundreds of bulbuls are trapped from the forest and trained. On the day of the fight, they are fed a herbal paste which gets them intoxicated. Although the birds are released back into the wild, there is no saying how many will survive. Condemn illegal bulbul fights and all other fights between two of a species. On 24th April, we celebrate World Day for Laboratory Animals. Millions of animals are tortured for research and product safety, although prior to marketing, clinical trials are anyway conducted on humans. 5th February is celebrated as National Bee Day. Bees are natural pollinators and should be used to enhance only agricultural productivity. Honey is the bees' food that we steal. Each time a forest hive is robbed, a minimum of 10,000 bees suffer and die. Apiary honey is like factory farming. Queen bees, whose wings are trimmed to avoid escape, are artificially inseminated and tricked into laying more eggs. Each time honey is extracted and replaced by sugar syrup, at least 30,000 worker bees are adversely affected. Every second Saturday of May, we celebrate International Migratory Bird Day. Over 100 species of birds migrate to India to escape winter. Can you believe that migratory birds rescued in Himachal Pradesh were found with their legs tied and eyelids stitched together? In Jatinga, Assam, villagers have been convinced to stop hunting migratory birds with bamboo poles and catapults and promote tourism instead. Migratory birds are our guests. 4th May is celebrated as International Respect for Chickens Day. Hundreds of colored chicks sold on the roadside are the poultry industry's unwanted males. Do not buy colored chicks and encourage their illegal trade. They are dumped in cheap and hazardous dyes containing hydrogen peroxide, ammonia, and color. New feathers are normal, so when the colored ones fall off, the attraction is lost and the birds are discarded. Trapping, transporting, and trading traumatized birds. They are illegally displayed and sold in local markets. Taming and training birds is cruel. Do not cage birds. In many cities of the world, wildlife is misused to attract tourists at hotels, resorts, malls, parks, zoos, and other places. Taking a selfie with an animal is insensitive since most animals are kept continuously sedated to ensure that they are docile. The few that are not heavily drugged are also subjected to a lot of human handling, making them constantly scared and insecure. This is said by Gautam Buddha. He indeed is wise who does not hurt any creature, whether feeble or strong, who does not kill nor cause slaughter. Having reverence for all creation is a great virtue.